Nosy 30 guys, let's get it. Looks like he got his parts. Yeah, he had his parts last week. So it looks like he started on it. Let's see how far he didn't get. This guy here, hey, this one with the cooling leaks, y'all know. Okay, he just got a few things unbuttoned. Yeah, guys, this job is no freaking joke. I don't know what the plan. I don't know where he going. Woo! Oh, I don't even want to fight. I can't. I'm leaving this one. We'll talk about something else, guys. Let's go. Let's head to the used car department. I ain't been over there in a while. Hey, Pentastar, guys. Minivan. Not a ticker. Don't panic. I know every time y'all see a Pentastar, y'all think tick. Well, my man have his pressure tester. This is the new design, guys. I'm still old school. I have the kind that pumps. Everybody breaking down and buying this new stuff. So nothing wrong with it. Don't get me wrong. It's just that mine still works. So now when mine fail, I would likely upgrade, but it's still working. I have no problem. In fact, I like to exercise, so I call it my what am I working when I'm doing that? My triceps. I call it my tricep workout. So yeah, when mine break, I get one of these. But until then, I'm good. It's like a phone. Y'all be upgrading phones and don't be nothing wrong with your old phone. Typical 2.4. Hey, I got a jump box like this. It's a real good one. It's actually the best one out. All right. I did a review on mine. I don't know what I did with the footage. But anyway, hey, what are you doing down here? We're supposed to be going to the used car department. Here we are being super nosy. This is, after all, called Nosy 30. What can y'all say? Overheated, maybe? Yeah, because I remember the head man or the engine man, not engine man, the machine shop sent the guy here to get these heads. So guys, one could assume, I don't know if valve seats dropped or anything like that. I don't know. I'm just speculating. I don't know if it overheated. I don't know anything, but one of the reasons you would send a head out to the machine shop is to pressure test it, and if you have some internal valves, like we don't have a valve lapping compounder machine. We don't have anything valve building related. So now anybody can hand lap a valve in. I hand lap intake and exhaust valves in all the time, especially on PT Cruiser. All right, it's just a matter of that contact between the valve seat and the valve face. So you can use some lapping compound to see where that contact is coming in at, and you can base your judgment off of that. When I'm using when I order some new valves, I always lap them in using the compound, and I can see that the face to seat contact is on point. So I proceed with the job. That's under the assumption that I don't suspect the head warped. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I just know he got it apart. I don't know if it overheated or not, but he got a new cam. That looked like a cam gear. Sure, he going in with new lifters. And I see a bad lifter over here. Ooh, look at that, guys. Ooh. Uh-oh. Whoa. Not good. But there's no scratch. So was the cam lobe sparred, whatever? Was it? No. It's just this would eventually end up being a ticking engine. Yeah, lifters can create or give off a ticking sound. All right, but again, so now you don't necessarily have to send a head out to the machine shop if all you're doing is cam and lifter. So he obviously get this, had a ticking noise, and all the rest of them are in there. So he obviously checked this. He might have, I tell you what I assume. It's an overheater, and in the process, the head's got to come off if you suspect head gaskets. We pretty much, I think we made to send heads out to get tested if we have an overheating problem and the head gasket is blown or anything like that. So it ends up at the machine shop. They get it pressure tested, relap. I don't know what they do, but we got new head gaskets. I don't know if this is a new cam, but I do know he got the other 3 banks in. Maybe he waiting on one for this. I don't know. Speculation, guys. Speculating. This is called Nosy 30. Here's these two sensors that will snitch on you in the event you install the wrong weight of oil. Okay, this engine is equipped with MDS, all right, which means it is crucial that you go in with the correct amount, the correct weight of oil. Not brand. I'm not talking about brand. Valvoline, Mobil One. You choose your own brand. I mean, some brands are better than others. I have no preference. Okay, I'm not endorsed by any brand company. I'm sure I could be with the right amount, but yes, these two sensors will snitch on you. This oil pressure sensor and that oil temperature sensor. They get together and crunch up some numbers and can tell the computer that you, my friend, have the wrong weight of oil installed. Okay, all right. This is where I'm supposed to been going. Let's go back here to used car department. Hey, who traded in a Dodge Ram? I wonder what they get. Somebody traded in a Charger. Oh, look at this, guys. Whoa. Oh, I remember this. This came from the body shop. Oh, this got to be a one hell of a job. Okay, guys, this car was hit over here in this area, and turned out these lines got bent in the process of the impact. See, he ain't even done these yet, but he doing brake lines, typical brake lines. Guys, this is tedious. Talk about the brake lines that go to the rear. You know how Chrysler do, or FCA, they like to give you lines that there's no braking point. Just like those cooler lines on that Durango over there. So they could have easily stopped this right here, made a connection, and continued. But could you imagine finagling these long brake lines all the way to the rear? Whew. No, I'm not interested. All right. That looked like one hell of a job. And naturally, you're going to have to bleed them. Where's the old? This looked like the old. Yeah, you don't, when you're taking it out, you don't really care. But going in, you got to be mindful, especially the appearance. Customer get on here and see this. Oh my God. So I guess you got to do these two next because he's in the process. Yeah. Whew. This is a body shop, not so much a used car charger. Got smacked in the front, I guess. Yeah, I guess they got the body shop fixed. Now, what's weird is the body shop technicians don't want to do this crap. They send stuff to us like cradles. You know, they get all the damaged stuff. So, but it's some things they just literally do not want to do. Like a cradle, we get cradles over here all the time from the body shop. And these guys look, oh yeah, I do it 10 hours. Because when it's an insurance company, they pay pretty well. We'll do those in a heartbeat, guys. All right, so that's all he got going on over here. Like I say, this Chargers, trade-in, typical brake job. Guys, that is all I have, man. I'm going back to the other side. That's all I have, man. I appreciate you guys. I still want to know what this guy traded in and got. Where do you go from a Ram 1500 with a 5.7 Hemi? I don't know. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.